Okay, welcome back everyone. Ryan here with Idle and Emissions Solutions. So today we are going to do a California Air Resource Board Clean Truck Check. That's a CARB CTC is the abbreviation for that. Pretty simple. I know we brought this on as a request from several customers that were looking for a location. There's a lot of people on the database, if you search, that are fleets and they do not do it for one truck owner operators or even other smaller fleets. So we brought the service on, went through the rigorous training with CARB and all that. I bought the wildly overpriced software, and so we are set up to do it now. So if you are looking for a location in the Midwest, our location here in Canton, Ohio, we are offering the service now, reasonably priced from some other services that I've heard about. Very quick, you don't have to make an appointment, walk in, hopefully have you out of here within 30 minutes, maybe an hour if we're kind of backed up. So a pretty simple process. I'm going to go ahead and show you what it's all about here. All right, so we'll go ahead and get started here. So we're using obviously JD1939, not a BD2. Green plug's the 500 kilobytes per second link, and we're using a NextIQ USB link 2. So that's all good to go. So we're set up. I'm going to put our password in here that I can't show everybody. Okay, so the engine's running at idle, yes. Okay, so pretty quick process here, and what this does, what we're just doing, it uploads everything to our software vendors network, and then it uploads it to California's CTC network, and then you can log on to your account that you set up and see all the data that you passed or whatever. So pretty quick process, all pretty seamless. And with that, like I said, it's not completely instant. It does take about 15 minutes or so for everything to update, and you can check your account, get your report, and all that stuff. It's all VIN driven, so whatever you set up, when you set up your own personal account with your VIN number, that's what, when we put it in, that's what it's going to load to. Okay, again, so if you are needing this service, something we're offering, walk in, give us a call, let us know you're coming in, whatever. Like I said, really quick process, get you out pretty quick, and pretty reasonably priced from what other shops are that are offering and are charging. So again, check out the website. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for the updates, and like the video.